Let's face it, people with ADD are losing their jobs left and right. Well, this has to stop. So I made the research. It took me months of incessant research to find the best formulation, the best supplement that will change how we operate as people with ADD. So you risk losing your job because the environment is pretty much antagonistic. You need to rely on memory and goodwill in order to get along with your job. But ADD comes in the middle and destroys everything. So, the first requirement is to get amino acids. That's what your system needs. It needs amino acids to feed the brain. These are specifically structured amino acids that feed neurons inside your brain. And the result is that you will boost feel-good neurons, calm down restlessness, increase alertness and memory, feel energized and strong. These are some of the perks from users who use these feel-good amino acids, because you will feel good. You will be able to cope with your day, you will be able to be antagonistic, you will be more productive, your memory bank will boost our proportion like you never had ADD in the first place, and everybody will be shocked. And why not get a promotion down the track? Because you're such a model worker. So, click on the link in the description below where you find more details about these spectacular amino acids. They are safe to use and they are approved by the Health Federation. So you have nothing to worry about, only gains to reap. Exactly. You will be a totally different person. Like you had surgically implanted in you hosts of memory banks. And these memory banks will long serve you. Click on the link in the description below and find out more about these pills. Do it now in case you forget it, because if you took these pills, I wouldn't need to say that. Enjoy your stay here. Carpe diem.